Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, I'm Femke and in today's video I am sharing a new nail polish of the week color. In my nail polish of the week videos I actually just swatch and talk about one specific nail polish color, and of course on forehand I removed my previous manicure and started off with clean nails. So I'm first going in with the 99% natural base coat by Catrice. I really like this one. It only has 3 ingredients and it does dry really quick as well. So yeah, I pretty much love this one. It's already in stores, or at least I've already seen it in stores here in the Netherlands, but it can depend or kind of like vary where you live if it is already available, but it has to be out already, at least online. So yeah, I'm just going to apply a first layer of that, of course capping off the edges as well. The reason why I do so is because it actually protects my nail a little bit more and it makes sure my manicure lasts longer without chipping or any additional tip wear. Now I started working in, or at least working with a lot of construction material. My hands have a rough time surviving, or at least my nails, I have to say. I haven't broken any nails yet, so that is a big plus. But yeah, I do definitely need to keep an eye on my nails if I don't want to mess them up. But anyways, the color I'm going to use in today's video is one by the Essence Shine Last and Go collection, and it is called, I think it was 42, Everybody Say Yeah, and it is such a cute spring color. Like, I'm totally over the gloomy, rainy weather with all of those storms and all that stuff. I'm really just looking forward to some spring weather with some sun and just some really cute like nail colors to apply to my nails. So that's why I chose this color. This polish was sent out to me by PR about a year ago. I actually received all 50 colors from the Shine Last and Go collection. If you are curious about that video, it is one of my most viewed ones, so you can definitely easily find it back on my YouTube page. So yeah, do check it out if you want to see me swatch all 50 colors. That was like a heck of a job. I was recording for like 2 or 3 hours or something, and my thumb was so sore afterwards because I had to apply base coat, apply the color, and then of course remove every single color with remover as well. And I remember my thumb being all sore afterwards for like a couple of days after that. But yeah, I really love these polishes. They're only €1.69. I think there's like 8 milliliters in these bottles, and the colors are just really nice, and they do apply nicely, really easy as well. I really love the brush these polishes have. It isn't too wide because my nails are quite narrow, and yeah, not everyone has very wide nails, you know, so it's a decent brush, I'd say. But yeah, the polishes also dry really quickly, and I'm just going in with my second layer of this minty green color. Oh, and there was a little hair in my polish, or at least on the brush, so I just removed that real quick before I continued my application. With these polishes, especially the super creamy ones by Essence, you only need 1, maybe 2 thin coats. As you can see here, it was almost fully opaque and just even in 1 coat, but because I do kind of have like a prominent smile line and free edge, these are my natural nails, by the way. Sometimes my free edge, or at least the smile line, can kind of peek through if you just apply 1 layer, so I'm always going in with a second thin coat to make it completely opaque and evened out. I do think that if you have shorter nails, like no free edge at all, or maybe just a tiny free edge, you can get away with just applying 1 coat of this color. But yeah, as I mentioned, I just prefer applying a second coat, and especially now I'm working with my hands a lot and just dealing with a lot of like harsh stuff, which normally natural nails don't really like. I will definitely have some good use out of that second coat, especially because I don't have enough time to do my nails like every other day or anything like that. Even at the moment, the design I'm wearing right now has been on my nails for 2 weeks, almost 2 weeks. It's crazy, and it's still on then they're perfectly fine. There's just a little bit of tip wear, but yeah, that's all thanks to actually this top coat as well that I'm going to apply to my nails in this video. And yeah, this one is the sleep proof top coat by Catrice as well. I've mentioned this a couple of times, not even a couple of times, like 100 times in my videos, that I really love the base coats by Essence and Catrice, and the top coats by Essence and Catrice are really nice as well, and they're really affordable too. I think that this top coat is like $350 or $359 or something. They're just really inexpensive, and they actually do work well for my nails at least. But yeah, that was already the entire video. I really hope you liked it. A lot of people really like it when I ramble throughout a video. So yeah, that's why I actually still make these videos, and I just love swatching and just painting my nails, and yeah, it's just a little bit of me time that I love to share with you guys as well. But do let me know what you think about this minty green color. Is it something that you will wear yourself? I think it's a really nice tone, and a lot of people look good with that tone as well. So yeah, I pretty much love it. Then again, this one is by Essence from the Shine Less Than Go collection. It's really affordable. You only need 1 or 2 coats to make it completely opaque, and I'm pretty much obsessed with it. I can't wait for spring to start and definitely wear this color more. But thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.